class 11th A, lesson for some basic concept of chemistry, part 5, mole concept. Relative or average atomic mass on the basis of the percentage of each isotope presents. Chlorine having same atomic number but different atomic mass. 3 raised to 1 ratio in atmosphere. So chlorine having two isotopes, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. Average atomic mass is equal to m into A plus n into B plus m upon m plus n. Here m is the ratio of first isotope and A is the ratio, A is the atomic mass of first isotopes and n is the ratio of second isotopes and B is the atomic mass of second isotopes. So when we put these value in this formula, we get 3 raised to 1 ratio in atmosphere. So chlorine 3 into 35, chlorine having atomic mass number is 35. So 3 into 35 plus 1 into 35. 1 is the ratio in atmosphere. 3 is to 1 ratio in atmosphere. So 3 plus 1. So average atomic mass become 35.5 U, average atomic mass. Gram atomic mass, it expressed in grams. It expressed in unit, average atomic mass, AMU. Gram atomic mass expressed in grams. Oxygen having 6 AMU, 16 AMU is it can be expressed in gram atomic mass, 16 gram. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Hydrogen atomic number 1.008 AMU and 1.008 in grams atomic mass. So mass of one atom is known as actual mass. Molecular mass, we can calculate molecular mass. It is the sum total of masses of all the atoms present in a molecules. For example, we take an example of H2O. Hydrogen having atomic number 1, oxygen having atomic number 16. So 2 into 1 because 2, H2, 2 into 1. 1 is the hydrogen having 1 atomic number. Plus 16 into 1, that means 16 is equal to 18. So these are the 18 is the molecular mass of water. In this way we can calculate glucose, sucrose. Sucrose can be calculated C12, H22O11, C12, 12 into 12, carbon having 12, atomic mass will be, atomic number is 12, plus 1 into 22, plus 11 into 16, so total having 342. Molecular mass of sucrose, H2SO4, hydrogen having H2, 2 into 1, plus sulfur having atomic number 32, oxygen having 16 into 4, so total is 98. NH2, urea, NH2CONH2, 14 plus 2 plus 2, 12 plus 16 plus 14 plus 2, total 60. In this way, we can calculate molecular mass of acetic acid, CH3COOH, carbon having 12, hydrogen having 3 into 1, 3, carbon having 12, oxygen having 16 plus 16, 32, is equal to 60. Total molecular mass of acetic acid is 60. Formula mass used for ionic compound. When we take NaCl, NaCl is the atomic sodium having atomic number 23, chlorine 34.5. So 58.5 is the ionic compound having formula mass NaCl. Mole 6.023 into 23 particles entities. किसके लिए होगा? Mole, molecules, formula and ions. So 1 mole of sodium 6.023 into 23 atoms. Mole concept को इस तरीके से समझ सकते हैं कि 1 dozen having 12 pieces. 1 score means 20 articles. Grass is equal to 144 articles. So mole concept will be any of the 1 mole of sodium having 6.023 into 20 10 to the power 23 atoms. 1 mole of hydrogen, that will be 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen molecule having 2. This atomicity will be 2 in hydrogen molecules. So 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. 1 mole is equal to atomic mass of an atom. 1 mole of sodium having 11 gram, that means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to 11 gram. In this way, we can calculate 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide atomicity will be 3. Carbon and 2 oxygen. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. 1 mole of H2SO7, oleum. Oleum having 11 atoms. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 7, 11. 11 atoms in oleum. So 1 mole of H2SO7 is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. And atoms will be 11 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So in this way, we can calculate 1 atom 11 upon 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 gram. 1 mole of H2 is equal to 2 gram. Then 1 atom will become 2 upon 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. How we can calculate the number of moles? Number of moles को कैसे calculate करेंगे? N is equal to weight of substance upon molecular mass of the substance. अगर कोई substance है तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? First 64 gram of oxygen. When we have 64 gram, then N is equal to weight of substance 64 grams divided by 32. Oxygen being 16 into 2, 32. 2. N is equal to 2. And second example, 604 grams of H2SO7 oleum लिया है, तो molecular mass of H2SO3 oleum having 2 plus 32 plus 7 into 16, 178. So N is equal to 604 is the weight of substance divided by molecular mass of substance. Molecular mass of substance of oleum is 178. So divided by 178. So in this way, we calculate the N. In case of particles, N is equal to number of particles and 0 is equal to Avogadro's number. So N can be calculated here in case of particles. N upon N 0. 3.01 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of CO2. अगर CO2 का इतना है molecule है, then N is equal to number of particles 3.01 into 10 to the power 23 upon 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. They become 0.5. Calculate the number of moles in 11.2 liter of oxygen. N is equal to 11.2 liter में लेना है तो 22.4 लेना पड़ेगा. 6.023 की जगह पे 22.4 लेंगे तो 0.5 आएगा. In case of solution of volume लेना है. N is equal to volume given. जो भी volume given है 11.2 liter volume given है ऑक्सीजन का तो 11.2 लेना है divided by 22.4. In this way we can calculate percentage composition and molecular formula for H2O. H2 having 2 into 1 plus 16, 18 gram is the molecular mass of water. Percentage कैसे निकालेंगे? Percentage of H2 मानेंगे. Weight of H2 divided by molar mass into 100. तो 2 upon 18 into 100, 11.11%. Percentage of oxygen remaining 100 में से 11.11% माइनस कर देंगे तो 88.89% हो जाएगा. 6,6H12O6 दिया हो तो C6 कार्बन का 6 into 12 एटॉमिक नंबर, हाइड्रोजन का 1 into 12 12, 16 into 6 so 180 molecular mass of glucose. Percentage of carbon 72 upon 180. 72 upon 180 into 100, 40%. Percentage of hydrogen 12 upon 180 into 100, 6.6. Percentage of oxygen 100 में से इन दोनों को प्लस करके माइनस कर देंगे तो 53.34. इन दिस वे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का देख लीजिए. कार्बन का 12 है, 16 into 2 32. Total molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44. Percentage of carbon 12 atomic number upon 44 into 100, 27.2. Percentage of oxygen 100 minus 27.2, 72.8%. NaOH करेंगे 40, 23 सोडियम का एटॉमिक नंबर होता है, 16 ऑक्सीजन का होता है, 1 हाइड्रोजन, NaOH. So percentage of sodium 23 upon 40 into 100 57.5. परसेंटेज ऑफ ऑक्सीजन निकालना हो तो 16 upon 40 100 40%. परसेंटेज ऑफ हाइड्रोजन रिमेनिंग निकलेगा 100 में से 57.5 प्लस 40 100 minus 97.5 2.5% of hydrogen.